Welcome again to AI Buzz. In this video we are talking about how to make $500 per day by using AI. In today's world, chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. Advancements in artificial intelligence technology have made chatbots smarter and more efficient than ever before. One such example is ChatGPT, which is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that can simulate human-like conversations. ChatGPT has opened up new opportunities for people to make money online. In this video, we will explore the top 7 ways to earn up to $500 a day using ChatGPT. But before we start, if this video add value to your knowledge, please hit the subscribe button and write in comments, "I subscribed." In general, there are many ways to make money using ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. We are talking here only the top 7 proven ways to make money with ChatGPT. Because right now, there are many more opportunities than ever, and AI will allow us to work faster and more efficiently. Number 1. Offer chatbot consulting services. Businesses are always looking for ways to improve their customer service. You can offer your expertise in chatbot development and maintenance to these businesses. You can help them implement ChatGPT in their customer service strategy and provide ongoing support. This will save the company a lot of time and improve their customer support. Number 2. Develop custom chatbots. If you have experience in chatbot development, you can create custom chatbots for businesses. You can also offer your services to small and medium-sized businesses that cannot afford to hire a full-time chatbot developer. Number 3. ChatGPT prompt training. Many businesses struggle to train their employees to interact with chatbots. You can offer training services to help businesses train their employees to interact with ChatGPT effectively. AI tools are only as good as the person asking the questions and creating the prompts. By learning how to use chatbots like ChatGPT effectively, you will have a big advantage. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. One method to make money with ChatGPT is through affiliate marketing. Additionally, ChatGPT users can use this tool to generate income through partner marketing. Affiliate marketing entails promoting products, services, and brands on a website or other online platform in return for a share of the sales. It is a strategy for selling products, services, and brands. It is a drawn-out process, and before using ChatGPT, you must decide on the audience-building format, such as an essay, audio, or video. No. 5. Blogging. The best way to monetize ChatGPT is to start with a blogging site. You can start a site from scratch, with just web hosting, and watch it to develop in 6 to 8 months. A site can be started with little to no cash. ChatGPT has made things easier. Writing pieces will be easier because ChatGPT can almost completely cover any subject. The command, "Write a 1,000-word blog entry about a healthful diet," could be given to ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will spew out a superb, skillfully written article about a balanced diet. Users are advised to edit this page if they want to prevent getting a strike. Number 6. Chatbot Integration services. Businesses that already have a chatbot may need help integrating ChatGPT into their existing system. You can offer integration services to these businesses to help them take advantage of ChatGPT's advanced features. Number 7. Chatbot maintenance services. Chatbots require regular maintenance to ensure they are functioning properly. You can offer maintenance services to businesses that do not have the resources to maintain their chatbots. Well, that's all for today's video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the AI Buzz and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.